Hi, thank you for taking the time to watch this video today. What we're going to do here is cover the Workspot design concepts. So this playbook is intended for MSPs, partners, and customers that want to deploy Workspot, anywhere from a simple lab environment to a full-blown enterprise solution. So what we'll do here is walk through the fundamental design concept and show you how it'll scale out. Now, let's take this even a step further. There's a lot of IDPs out there. So Workspot has an IDP service that we could leverage to use other third-party IDPs out there. If it's not Entra ID or Okta, we can support the other IDPs, and our Workspot IDP service will federate with that other third-party IDP, and the same concept that we just spoke about will apply. They'll get redirected to that customer's third party, get the token back, and go through the gateway. Everything else is exactly the same as we've just been talking about. It just extends the capability of what we can offer for a front door IDP service. And so, again, the summary here is we meet the non-Microsoft and non-Okta cloud native identity requirements. And even if they still need Okta, we could still use the Workspot IDP service, but we don't need that. We support Okta natively. So the other uses, primarily partners, self-service customers would be potentially, but less likely, MSPs, demo environments, and labs in this kind of a concept. But we do support that across all the platforms.